Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily read and review your audit trails of your completed documents. Beginning with going to documents from the left sidebar right here, filter your documents to see the only completed documents. So by clicking on completed from the statuses right here, only the completed documents will be seen on the list. All you have to do is select the document that you want to review the audit trail of, and then click on the three dots, then select audit trail. As you can see here, the audit trail is simply a report of all of the activities that has been recorded and done on this document from the moment it was initiated until the moment all of the signers have completed signing on this document. So we have here the main information of the document itself, the date of creation, as well as the stamp of completion, and then we have the participants, which are the signers of the document or the approvers or the viewers based on their list. And we can see here if they have signed or not, as well as the verification that has been done on a specific signer. And then from the journal part, you can see all of the activities and actions that have been done on the document from the moment that it was created until the moment it has been completed. As you can see here, we can see the authentication that was requested, when it was authenticated, when it was signed, and finally when it has been completed. You can also download a copy of this audit trail to keep in your archive and access anytime you need it.